Welcome back to another video, guys. Today we are going over how you guys can get funded. Today, Wednesday the 14th, I was able to make over $3,000 and pass a 50K funded account. Now, this consisted of about 3 trades. I had a very clear draw on liquidity today, and anybody could have taken these same trades. We actually took these same trades in my free Discord. We live stream every morning for AM session. You guys can join. Took all these trades in here. Everybody banked on them. So going over the first trade of the day. At market open, 9:30, we saw a manipulation move higher, creating an SMT. My overall bias for today was short to these data lows and then these equal lows. So I wanted to see those get taken. So a 9:30 open high manipulation move was perfect for me. After that, we had this 5-minute inversion fair value gap and also this breaker block. This is my model, sums it up, SMT, breaker, IFVG. That's an A+ setup for me. So I will take that any day of the week. As you can see here, I could have entered off this initial tap back in, but we had not inversed the 5-minute yet. And just because after market open, it can be a little high volatility, I wanted to wait to see if we were going to inverse the 5. We did inverse the 5. I entered 1 right away, and then I entered 2 more on the tap back into the breaker. So I was in for a hefty position size here. My TP1 was this low that we created, and that was just because it's a new internal low, and that was still 1-to-1 risk to reward, so very good. And then my second was these equal lows for 1 to 2.2. I ended up making about 2.2K on this trade. So very solid trade to start the morning off. And normally I would be done from there, but when I'm already up 2.2K on a 50K account, may as well try to get to 3K and pass it. So stayed on. As we can see, we're generating buy side liquidity here. But I noticed that we would be ultimately targeting this 15-minute bullish fair value gap, which is in a premium of the range, discount of the range. Sorry. And as we can see, right here we get a move higher. And we have this nice 1-minute inversion fair value gap. This looks clear to go down and hit the 15-minute and ultimately just take out the sell side with these relative equal lows right here. So what do? I enter on the 1-minute inversion, just one contract, 1-to-1 risk to reward, another $500 right there. If you entered with more, you could have left a runner for the 15-minute. It's 1 to 2.5. So very good trade right there. And then after that, after we entered on the 15-minute, the draw was super clear. And we had a 4-minute inversion fair value gap right here. I know I labeled it as BPR, balanced price range, but it was also a 4-minute inversion that I was waiting for. And then once we see that we got that, come down, tap the balanced price range, enter off that. I just do one contract here because at this point I'm like $300 away from reaching the profit goal. Just stop below here, and then target could be the break even or the buy side. Well, yeah, TP1 would be the buy side for a 1 to 1.4, and then final, this was a 15-minute 1 to 3.4. So overall great risk to reward there. Could have even left another runner for this buy side. So very clear draw on liquidity today. The market was pretty much free this AM session. You could have taken any 3 of these trades and banked on it. Using your model, you can kind of determine what trade fits your model. But for me, these are the trades that I took today. Ended up being able to make $3,000 in one day. So it just goes to show you it's not that difficult. And you just have to execute when the market presents itself with opportunities, because a lot of days you won't find a single trade, but days like today, you can find 3 trades. So hopefully this video helped you guys out on how to actually pass a funded account. It's not too difficult as long as you guys just follow your strategy and have good executions. But until next time, I'll see you guys.